If you need to verify your crypto.com account, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. So let's do it. Okay, we are in crypto.com. What we're going to do on the top right-hand side is look for the sign up over here. And if you've already gone through the sign up process and you've created an account, you've just not verified it yet, you can skip this and you can go and click on log in. Let's go and add our email address here and click on create new account. From here, you will see that there is an email that has been sent to your email address, and this will now help you to verify your email address for your crypto.com account. So once you've done so, you will have the email received and you'll click on create new account. You will then get redirected to this page. Here you'll enter your mobile number that you would like to link to your crypto.com account. You'll now have to verify that mobile number that you're entered. So you will be sent a 6-digit code. Go ahead and enter that 6-digit code right over here. You'll now have to create a 6-digit passcode, something that you'll use to log in with, unlock your app, and also confirm your transactions. So go ahead and choose something that you will remember and something that's also secure. At this point, you will have to verify your identity, and this is the account verification process. So if you've gotten up to here, click on agree and continue, and then you will have to now upload documentation. Okay, so this will have to be official, proper, government-issued documentation. You can use your driver's license. You can use your government-issued identification card, and you can also use your password. So let's go ahead and let's click on start. Or if you'd like to do this on your mobile device, if you haven't already got the documents uploaded to your computer, you can go ahead and click on start. But if you want to take a photograph of these documents, you can go ahead and click on use mobile phone. If you are using your mobile phone, it'll give you a QR code that you will scan with your mobile phone. And you will now also have to have the crypto.com app on your device. You're going to scan that and you're going to upload your documentation. Once your documentation has been uploaded, it will take a little while for it to be verified, and then you will have a verified crypto.com account. I really hope this was helpful.